Hello guys, welcome to our channel Market Wisdom. So in this video I am giving you Nifty overview, Nifty and Bank Nifty overview for tomorrow, where we can go and what can be the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. The levels are based upon the open interest analysis and chart. Okay, so this is what I'm going to cover in today's video. If you are new to our channel, please do join our telegram channel as well, link given in the description, and please like, share, subscribe this channel. Okay, let's see where we can head to in tomorrow's monthly expiry. Okay, so this is a Nifty 15-minute chart. So what we can come up with this particular chart. So there is action take place at this level, right? So this will be my level to watch out for tomorrow. So 17,460, 450 will be the level to watch out for, and for any upside move it needs to cross this level, which is 17,520, right, which is today's top as well, around that area. So we draw a box pattern over here, downside. From there, if we try to draw some trend line, so this is the trend line that we are getting. Okay, so we'll follow this trend line, and this box pattern also comes around this area, 17,440, like that, right? So anything below that we will see some downside, and downside will be around this area where it taken out some resistance, right, earlier, this particular area, 320. So that will be my target on the downside if we were able to break this 17,440 area. Okay, so that's on the downside. For the target, if we break this 1520, that is 1750 17,520, then the target that coming out is, for that we will go in the back. So we'll see where was the resistance earlier. So we can see the resistance in this area, this particular area, right? So that is like 630, 640. Okay, so 620, that will be my resistance area. Okay, and this is the trade that I am coming up with after looking the charts, right? So by looking at this chart, what I'm getting is 17,420 is the area, 440 is the area to look for. Below that I can expect another 80 to 100 point dip in the market up to 17,320, and anything above 17,520 I will expect a bounce till 17,620. Okay, and in that case, if let's say it opens up a gap up, then I will try to buy near 17,520. That will act as a support in tomorrow's market if market opens gap up. So today also, if we see what happened, it opened gap up, then it came down around 400 area, which I have given in my channel as well, in different channels. So 17,400 will be a good buying area. So similarly, if tomorrow also it opens gap up, then 17,500, 17,520 will be good buying area, and then I will look for the bounce towards 17,600, 580, 600, maybe in the afternoon session. So that is what coming out from the chart. If we look at the open interest analysis for Nifty, if we see over here, what we are observing, green candles in the downside, that suggest very much short covering happened today. Okay, and if we see on the here, red bars on the upper side, that indicates put writing happened. So we can see at 17,500 lots of put writing happened. So people are in mindset that market will not fall below 17,500. 17,400 also has a huge put writers, so it means it will not fall over here. That's why they return a put, and overnight, and added a put writing positions over here. Put writing means they are expecting market to remain above 17,500. So that's what we are getting from the open interest analysis as well. If we see next month, or what we can say, open interest, then what we are observing, let's see. So here also 17,500 straddles are sold, 17,500 lots of put writing added, and lots of call got short covered at 17,300, and also market is in good grip. So in fact, if you see over here, 18,000 put also return. They may be created a straddle at 18,000, but that's a very good indication that people are writing puts as well for the next monthly expiry as well. So that's a very good sign from bull's point of view. It is looking strong, market is looking strong. Let's look at the bank Nifty quickly. So we got the Nifty. Now I will go for bank Nifty. Yeah, so in bank Nifty I have already drawn this particular Fibonacci extension, how much the target will be. The target I am coming up with 36,800, that will be positional target. We'll see from tomorrow's point of view what can happen. So in tomorrow's point of view, we can directly see there was a resistance earlier in this area, which is 36,500 area. Okay, and about that, what will be the resistance that we are facing near about this area, right? It's 36,500. That was the sorry, 36,800. 36,800 was the resistance area that we saw earlier before this. So let's go back little bit in the past. Where can we see the support and resistance? Yeah, here I'm seeing there is a support at this area, which is 37,000 area. Okay, so that is a round figure as well. So 37,000 is a good resistance. So there are resistance on the upper side, that will be 36,500, then 36,800, and then 37,000. So these are the resistance on the upper side that we can see on the while looking at the chart. And from the support point of view, we have support directly at 35,900, 940. Okay, so now when we can expect this downside and when we can expect the upside. Okay, so by looking at the chart, we can clearly see. So if we see over here, it's 36,220. So below 36,220, we can expect some downside, and in that case it will form a M pattern over here in Bank Nifty, and it will head towards this our target of 30, near about this particular area, 35,800 to 35,900. That will be the area that we can round figure we can look for if we break 36,200. And if we break on the upper side, this today's top, that is around 36,450 to 36,500, then we can expect the upper targets. Now let's quickly look at the Bank Nifty open interest. What is the case? So in Bank Nifty, if we see again, call writers covered their position, and put writer added usually at 36,000, which is round figure, and also 36,300 put writers added. So and if we see call writing at 36,500, there are a lot of call writers still present. So we can expect a short covering rally tomorrow only above 36,800, which our chart is also suggesting. So above 36,800, if we sustain this area 36,800, okay, so then we can move towards even in the 36,200 to 37,200 to 37,100. So that will be the area we can think of if we able to cross this 36,500 to 36,800, this area. So that's the what we can say, that's how the levels are coming up. If we open gap up, then I will see if 36,500 it is sustaining, and if it is sustaining and then moving up, then that will be a good sign. Okay, so similarly like today, as I told in the Nifty case as well, if we open above gap up and try to take a support around today's highest point, that is 17,520 area, then that will be a good buying opportunity. So 17,520 after gap up in Nifty, 17,520 to 500, and in Bank Nifty 36,500 will be buying opportunity for me. So these are the levels coming up, and let's see tomorrow. Thanks for watching.